I was in a head-on collision in a blizzard with one of my daughters in the back. I just pulled over and the other vehicle lost control and just, I flipped out because my daughter was with me. I had a meltdown and it wasn't good. Waking up the next day and I was all like out of sorts, like, you know, wasn't thinking right. The lights were really bugging me. And then somebody told me, you should probably call lawyers. And I ended up looking up Valent, and I got a hold of a guy named Phil Herrera, and then he began the process of taking care of me. He just always made me feel like welcome, and then as time went on, he's became like one of my buddies. And it turned out that my injuries were fairly bad. They never rushed for settlements. They were making them offers in the beginning. They told them, no, this is a head injury. We can't rush this stuff. And they were right in the end. So I would totally recommend them, and I totally thank them, because my family's life is a whole lot better now than it was gonna be. Big time, for real.